Hello, San Bernardino. This is Mayor John Valdivia, and today joining me in the studio is Pastor Chris Reinhard of the Sandals Church. In just a few minutes, we're going to get into our topic, which is San Bernardino Cares. It's a community event. I want to encourage our public, please remember to stay at home. It's so critical that we have our viewing public and our residents here in the city cooperate with the governor's stay-at-home order and only come out with essential trips to grocery stores, pharmacies, medical appointments, and those essential services for our community. Our city is doing fabulous. We are loving on one another, caring for one another, and that's the important, integral part of the Community Cares program that we're going to feature here today. But I want to encourage you, please stay at home, only come out for essential services, and let's continue to care for one another in these trying times. Now, today, joining me in the studio on today's broadcast of SB Cares is Pastor Chris Reinhard. Chris, you joined us for a successful event on April 2, a couple of weeks ago, and it was a success. Before we get into that, tell us a little bit about your church, your ministry, and what's going on at Sandals Church.
Yeah, hey, thank you, Mayor. I really appreciate being able to be here. Sandals Church merged 2 years ago with Calvary Baptist Church of San Bernardino, which has been in the city since 1925. And so we're able to join in with Sandals Church of Riverside and having even a greater impact on the city of San Bernardino.
Wonderful. That's great to hear. And things are going well. I hear there is great things happening at Sandals Church. Now, you're located on what corner and what part of the city?
We are right on 3701 North Sierra Way, right on the corner of Sierra Way and Parkdale here in the city of San Bernardino.
And that's just south of 40th Street in the north end of our beautiful city of the city of San Bernardino. Yeah. Sandals Church, I have heard, is doing some phenomenal things. Tell us a little bit about your ministry offerings and what are you doing for the community, and talk to us a little bit about maybe some of those kids programs.
Yeah, absolutely. We've got some just amazing kids programs that are happening in the city. Obviously, our Sunday morning program for kids is fantastic. Well over 100 kids come and join us. But every summer, we do a day camp for about 300 kids, most of them just from the community. They come for free and just enjoy amazing programming for the entire week. And then each week, we do some feeding for those that are just struggling, need a little extra food for the week, as well as our Sunday morning services. Right now, those are Saturday night, Sunday morning, and Sunday night, all online at sandalschurch.tv.
Now, in light of COVID-19, we want to stress the importance of cooperating and understanding the governor's order to stay in home, only coming out for essential services. Our county public health officer has also provided further direction on religious services. So tell us how does that impact your church, your parishioners, and what are you doing to mitigate some of those effects of COVID-19 on your congregation?
Yeah, really early on, we wanted to take extreme precaution and make sure that we were keeping everybody safe. And so we went to online services really quickly. And immediately we moved everything to online services. We're doing online small groups and doing everything we can to just reach and connect with our church. That we are calling every single person who has ever visited Sandals Church and just going through, connecting with them, seeing if they need anything. We're delivering some groceries, we're delivering some gift cards, and just touching base with everybody in the city. And I have to say, I'm really proud of the people of San Bernardino, that we are a strong city with strong people who are doing a really great job of not just caring for themselves, but also caring for those around them.
That's what this is all about, folks. San Bernardino Cares. We're concerned. As a mayor, I'm certainly concerned about our community. These are trying times, but we'll get through it together. I want to reassure our public, your mayor is very concerned about public safety, public health efforts. We're collaborating with all of our regional partners, our state and federal and county officials to ensure that public safety and public health is paramount, and it's a priority of this mayor and city council. Now, I want to talk a little bit about a video. We'll introduce that in a few seconds, but we had a phenomenal time on April 2nd. We partnered with Panda Express and Sandals Church and the Rock Church. Unfortunately, the Rock Church couldn't be here today, and we want to send our deep appreciation to Pastor Dan Roth of the Rock Church. He was instrumental in orchestrating the distribution point on the south end of town, and it was a phenomenal event. We fed over 1,000 meals on that day, Community Cares. It was a great opportunity, and let's enjoy the video. Hi, San Bernardino. This is Mayor John Valdivia. Want to provide a quick update. Last Thursday, April 2nd, 2020, we had a phenomenal event. It was called San Bernardino Cares. It's very simple, but it's community oriented. I want to say thank you so much to Panda Express, the Rock Church, and Sandals Church. We fed over 1,000 people in compliance with all of the orders to have face coverings and all that good stuff. It was a great event. You'll see some photos. It was an awesome opportunity. Thanks again, community. We appreciate you.
Hey guys, just a huge thank you to Mayor John Valdivia and the city of San Bernardino for putting this whole thing together, working with Panda Express to get this amazing event to feed the people of San Bernardino. So just so blessed by our mayor, by our city council, by everybody who's been involved in this thing. We just really appreciate all of you. So thank you guys.
And I want to send my deep appreciation to Sandals Church. We couldn't have done it without your cooperation, your participation. This facility is a lighthouse to our community. We say thank you very much for our partnership and cooperation. God bless you, Chris.
Okay, thank you.
That was a phenomenal video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was about 2.5 minutes of what we did there and captured a lot of good moments. And Chris, again, thank you so much for your ministry there in the North End, really to our entire community. I want to encourage you, community, stay at home, shelter in place, come out only for essentials. Wear that face mask. It's critical that you cooperate with that face mask, that face covering. I know that's important to us all. And wash your hands. Those hygiene practices are going to be key. We'll close. Pastor Chris, any words of inspiration in these trying times?
Yeah, I would just encourage all of you, continue to follow the stay-at-home orders. Be patient. This will come to an end. We don't know when. If there's a way that we can help or support or encourage, feel free to reach out to us at sandalschurch.tv. That's what the church and the community is for. We love you, and we're praying for all of you during this season.
Thank you so much, Pastor Chris and Pastor Dan Roth of the Rock Church, two fabulous churches in our community. And thank you for our viewing audience for joining us in today's broadcast. Have a great day and stay healthy, San Bernardino.